Say goodbye to drafts. Our under-door draft stopper creates a snug seal at the bottom of your door, preventing cold air from sneaking in and keeping your space warm and cozy. Installing our draft stopper is a breeze. Simply slide it under the door, and let it work its magic. Maximize your space. Our over-the-toilet storage rack provides a stylish and functional solution for organizing bathroom essentials. Designed to fit neatly above your toilet, this storage rack utilizes vertical space, giving you additional storage without sacrificing valuable floor space. With shelves for toiletries, towels, and decorative items, it's a chic addition that enhances both aesthetics and practicality. Say hello to curves that turn heads. Our hip shaper trainer machine is designed to target and tone your hip muscles, helping you achieve that enviable hourglass figure. Compact and portable, our hip shaper trainer is your go-to fitness companion. Whether at home or on the go, bring the power of resistance training to transform your hips wherever you are. Experience culinary magic with our 2-in-1 dumpling maker machine. Our dumpling maker machine lets you effortlessly craft twice the dumplings in half the time. This machine streamlines the dumpling making process, ensuring that each delicate wrapper is perfectly formed and ready to embrace your scrumptious fillings. With dual pockets for fillings, unleash your culinary creativity. Whether you're a kitchen pro or a novice chef, our machine guarantees stress-free operation and delightful results. Our outdoor folding toilet brings the conveniences of an indoor bathroom to the heart of nature. Whether you're camping, hiking, or enjoying a day at the beach, this folding marvel ensures you're never caught off guard by nature's call. Unfold your portable toilet in seconds and let the comfort commence. Say goodbye to squeaks, shakes, and restless nights. Our anti-shake bed tool is here to transform your sleep sanctuary into a haven of tranquility. Enjoy a sound, uninterrupted sleep without the disturbances of a wobbly bed. Stand tall and walk with confidence. Our height increase heels cushion insoles are your secret weapon to add extra inches to your height, giving you that boost of confidence with every step. Our insoles are designed to fit seamlessly into your favorite shoes, providing an invisible lift that creates a visible impact. Instantly feel and look taller without anyone knowing your secret. Our peel and stick aluminum foil revolutionize your cooking space, effortlessly transforming it into a sleek and practical area. Our aluminum foil is oil-proof, creating a protective barrier that keeps your kitchen walls and surfaces free from stubborn oil stains. Elevate your bathroom aesthetic. Our suction cup towel bar combines sleek design with functionality, providing a chic solution to organize and display your towels without sacrificing space. Installing our towel bar is a breeze. Just press, twist, and secure. Maximize your kitchen space. Our roll-up dish drying rack offers a flexible and compact solution, allowing you to roll it up when not in use. Unroll this genius rack over your sink to air dry dishes, fruits, or vegetables. Its versatile design makes it a multitasking marvel, the perfect kitchen companion for various tasks. Experience the enchantment of zigzag cutting. Our scissors add a touch of whimsy and flair to your crafting projects. Create beautiful edges and embellishments with every snip. From scrapbooking to fabric arts, these scissors are your go-to for diverse crafting endeavors. Say goodbye to the struggle of juggling multiple bags, and hello to a stress-free shopping experience. With a chic design and trendy colors, our expandable bag is not just practical, it's a fashion statement. Equipped with smooth rolling wheels, our bag ensures effortless maneuverability. The expandable feature provides extra storage space when you need it. Perfect for impromptu purchases or bulk shopping, our bag adapts to your needs seamlessly. The sturdy construction and quality materials ensure that your shopping companion withstands the test of time. Elevate your driving experience. Our cushioned seat cover is crafted for ultimate comfort, providing a plush and luxurious feel every time you hit the road. Our seat cover boasts a tailored fit, enhancing the aesthetics of your car interior. Elegant and stylish, it's the perfect accessory to showcase your personal flair on the road. The breathable fabric ensures optimal air circulation, preventing that sticky feeling during long drives. Unleash the magic of effortless sunflower seed peeling with our automatic peeler. Our automatic peeler revolutionizes the way you enjoy sunflower seeds, making the process faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Say goodbye to dripping wet hair. Our microfiber hair towel wrap is designed to absorb moisture quickly, leaving your hair dry and ready to style in no time. The soft microfiber material minimizes friction, reducing the risk of damage and frizz. Wrap your hair in a gentle hug that enhances its natural beauty. The secure button closure ensures your towel wrap stays in place, allowing you to move freely and comfortably while getting ready. Our extendable pole saw allows you to effortlessly reach high branches, giving your trees the TLC they deserve without the need for a ladder. The tree pruner's sharp blade ensures precise cuts, promoting healthy growth and maintaining the beauty of your trees and shrubs. Experience sparkling surfaces with our all-purpose squeegee. Our all-purpose squeegee ensures crystal clear, streak-free surfaces on glass, mirrors, and tiles, leaving your spaces gleaming. With a comfortable grip and a flexible blade, our squeegee glides smoothly, making quick work of water and soap residue. Our squeegee tackles various surfaces, from bathroom tiles to car windows, providing a versatile solution for your cleaning needs. Transform your space into a hydration haven. Our water jug stand ensures easy access to refreshing water, making staying hydrated a breeze. Our dispenser valve allows for effortless pouring, providing a spill-free and convenient way to quench your thirst. Save precious fridge space and countertop real estate with our compact water jug stand, a sleek addition to any kitchen. Step into cozy comfort. Unveiling our foot warmer insoles. Our foot warmer insoles bring warmth to your shoes, making every step a delight. Whether you're braving winter chills or enjoying a snowy stroll, these insoles feature customizable heat settings, allowing you to tailor the temperature to your liking. It's like a spa day for your feet. Our foot warmer insoles are designed to fit seamlessly, ensuring maximum comfort without crowding your footwear. Dive into luxury anywhere with our portable foldable bathtub. Our portable bathtub brings the spa experience to your doorstep. No more waiting for a weekend getaway to indulge in a soothing soak. This foldable bathtub is a space-saving marvel, disappearing when not in use and effortlessly becoming your private oasis when bath time calls. Our bathtub accommodates various body sizes, ensuring everyone enjoys a relaxing soak. Transform your bed into a haven. Our sheets provide a dreamy, wrinkle-resistant surface for a blissful night's sleep, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day. Our sheets boast a breathable fabric that adapts to your body temperature, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep regardless of the season. Crafted with durability in mind, our wrinkle-free sheets maintain their pristine appearance, resisting signs of wear and tear even after countless cycles. Elevate your space with the Mini Marble. Our mini trash can comes with a snug-fitting lid, keeping odors at bay and ensuring your space smells as fresh as it looks. The sleek design and thoughtful details of our mini trash can add a touch of sophistication to any room, making it more than just a utility item. It's a stylish accessory. Whether in the bathroom, bedroom, office, or kitchen, our mini trash can is the perfect size for any space. Our clothes rack seamlessly blends fashion and function, turning your space into a runway of organized elegance. Whether displaying your favorite outfits, organizing seasonal wear, or showcasing accessories, our clothes rack is a versatile solution that adapts to your evolving wardrobe needs. Elevate your linen organization game. Our spiral bed sheet rack transforms your linen closet into a marvel of organization, making finding and folding sheets a breeze. Our bed sheet rack not only organizes but adds a touch of sophistication to your linen storage. The spiral design allows sheets to naturally follow the curve, making folding a quick and satisfying experience. The spiral bed sheet rack utilizes vertical space efficiently, creating room for more linens and leaving you with an organized, transform your living room instantly. Our L-shaped sofa couch cover adds a touch of elegance, giving your space a fresh, new look without the need for a complete furniture overhaul. Crafted from premium materials, our sofa cover not only protects your furniture but elevates the comfort level. Bid farewell to chilly seats. Embrace the warmth with our cushion cover, designed to keep your toilet seat cozy, especially during those colder seasons. Our cushion cover is designed for easy installation, ensuring you can enjoy the warmth and softness without any hassle. Our cover is designed to fit most standard toilet seats seamlessly, adding a touch of tailored elegance to your bathroom decor. The soft warmer toilet seat cushion cover not only provides comfort but also enhances the aesthetics, giving your bathroom a refined and cozy look. Tired of tangled cables? The Power Play Holder is your solution. Organize your power strips and keep cables in check for a clutter-free zone. Our self-adhesive holder ensures an easy, stress-free installation. No tools, no mess, just peel, stick, and you're ready to organize. The Power Play Holder frees up valuable desk or floor space, creating a cleaner, more streamlined environment for work or leisure. Maximize your kitchen space. Aquaflow effortlessly transforms your sink into a spacious drying haven, saving counter space for your culinary creations. Its sleek design combines style with functionality, making dish drying a visual delight. Aquaflow is expandable, catering to your needs. From a solo dish day to a family feast aftermath, it adapts to keep your dishes in order. Its grid design ensures water drips directly into the sink, keeping your kitchen surfaces dry and mess-free. Tired of wringing out mops by hand? Turbo Gleam puts an end to soggy floors with its innovative self-wringing design. Its 360-degree swivel head and ultra-lightweight design make cleaning a breeze. Its high-quality microfiber strands trap dirt, dust, and grime like a magnet, leaving your floors sparkling clean. Tired of messy erasers and smudgy fingers? Sleek Fix offers a clean, precise correction without a trace of smudge, making your work look flawless. It dries quickly, ensuring you can continue your creative flow without interruptions. No more waiting for messy liquids to dry. Its fine-tip pen allows for precise and controlled corrections, ensuring your work looks impeccable every time. Its slim design fits into your pencil case or pocket, ensuring you have a reliable correction tool on the go. Dive into a world of superior waterproofing. AquaSeal Pro is your go-to solution for fixing leaks, sealing gaps, and conquering water-related challenges. No matter the forecast, AquaSeal Pro stands strong. It's designed to tackle leaks in any weather condition, ensuring your repairs are reliable year-round. It forms a tight, impenetrable seal that stops water in its tracks, protecting your belongings from water damage. Its user-friendly design allows for a mess-free application, so you can get the job done quickly and efficiently. It's your versatile companion for every project. Thanks for diving into the world of gadgets with us. Have a favorite gadget or want to share your thoughts? Drop a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with the coolest gadgets hitting the market. Join our gadget community and be the first to know. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and keep exploring the wonders of the gadget universe. See you in the next video.